Time to get your Super Bowl party menu whipped into shape. Some delicious food ideas. How about a swanky drink as well to go along with all that food and fun. Here to share his secret recipes. I call him the mix man himself, our good friend, caterer extraordinaire. It's Hugh Groman in the house. We are grilling chicken, we are grilling shrimp, and we're getting our drink on too.
We're grilling chicken, we're chilling shrimp.
We're chilling shrimp. All right, that's fine.
Same idea.
But we're also getting our drink on because, you know, if you're in Miami, you got to have the proper cocktail, right?
It's a difficult time in the world and we need to start drinking early. Right?
So says you, okay.
Okay, we've got...
So what are we making here?
Pineapple Gin and Tonics. I've got delicious Hendricks gin and Fever Tree Tonic. These are kind of fancy, fancy gin, fancy tonic.
Okay.
And then simple, just a little pineapple juice. And then I'm going to garnish it with some lime.
A little bit of lime. Boy, that was nice and quick.
We're going to
nice
toast to the Super Bowl and to happy times.
Now, are we drinking before making the food?
Yes.
Is there a reason for that?
Immediately.
Okay.
You know, just to make sure it all goes well.
Here's to you.
Cheers to the Super Bowl.
All right.
Mm. Oh, that's delicious.
I think Rosemary wants to jump in. By the way, they are delicious. But
yeah,
we have one for you, Rosemary, and you too, Allie. All right, well, you've got chicken, you've got shrimp, you're marinating the chicken. Let's get busy.
Now I'm going to show you how to make this chilled shrimp with Caribbean cocktail sauce.
Okay.
And so what it is lime juice. I'm going to make maybe a little bit more lime juice. I love these juice squeezers. I'm always pushing these juice squeezers so that you can have fresh
fresh lime juice is key to anything. So, right, making a margarita, lime juice.
Yeah. Brown sugar.
Brown sugar. And
olive
cocktail
oil.
Sauce? Really?
Well, this is a Caribbean cocktail sauce.
Okay.
This has nothing to do with the kind of cocktail sauce that you
buy at the store.
That's traditional.
I've never made cocktail sauce.
That's with ketchup and horseradish and maybe a little hot sauce.
I'm liking the direction you're going.
This is great. Jalapeno.
Jalapeno.
And garlic and ginger.
Garlic and ginger.
Okay, and then do you want to maybe stir that up for me?
I'd be delighted to do that.
So you're going to stir this up real well. I got a fork in there for you.
All right.
And then I'm going to show you how to do the next thing, which is the chicken.
So it doesn't have to be red, right? Okay, I'm moving, Coach.
Okay, great.
Be nice.
I'm nice. I'm gentle. So here's your drink. Don't lose that.
Of course.
So then for the chicken, well, first let's just talk about the shrimp here. We've got the shrimp that we cooked previously, and it's really simple. You buy the frozen raw shrimp. Right. And you just want to cook it in a boiling liquid that has some salt and some acidity. So the simplest way to do it is just like salt and lemon juice.
Salt and lemon
you can get fancier by adding some carrots and onions and herbs and things to make it more complex. But the important thing is the salt and the acidity. And you just throw that into the boiling water.
Ready, and then cool them down.
Yeah. So you just cook them for a minute or two, just until they curl up. The trick is don't overcook them. The texture gets all off.
They're hiding behind the bowl.
Yeah. So keep on stirring that up for me.
Okay.
And then for the now we're moving over to the chicken here. So the chicken is just these chicken thighs that are cut up into little bite-sized 1-ounce pieces.
Gotcha.
And then you marinate them with this roasted garlic and some lime zest.
Lime zest.
And here's sake.
Sake.
So these are going to marinate overnight, and that's going to really tenderize them and add.
Can we talk about marination?
We can.
How long do you need to marinate? Chicken's kind of a dense meat. How long do you need to marinate before it really kind of takes hold?
Well, here's the thing. Acidity and salt are the real important factors here with marinade. Overnight's great.
Overnight's great.
At least a couple hours.
Can you leave it outside for a while?
No, because it's chicken. You know, you want to keep it cold. So you can leave it out for a couple hours before you cook it, because you're going to cook it, and that's going to kill anything.
Does it marinate a little harder when it's outside?
I think it might do, yeah. So salt and acidity are going to be the real factors in the marinade. And then if you have other flavors in there, the salt and the acidity are going to kind of aid in bringing those flavors into the meat. But without salt and acidity, it's not going to do a whole lot. So now I'm going to just show you. So we marinated this, and then the next day you drain it, you grill it, you add this Ponzu sauce, which has, it's really interesting, lemon juice, lime juice, rice wine vinegar, tamari soy sauce, mirin, kelp, so like seaweed. So interesting. Bonito flakes, and then a little pinch of cayenne.
What is a bonito flake?
Bonito flake is like a dried fish.
A dried fish.
It's a Japanese ingredient that they use to make broth.
And you made
dashi.
this prior, right?
Yeah.
You did. You can't.
So you grill this. Yeah, you can totally buy this.
You buy that. Okay.
So you grill this up, finish until it's almost cooked. Toss it with a ponzu, throw it in the oven, 375, 400, just until it's done. And then it looks beautiful and brown like this. And then you just put it on skewers. And why don't you taste one of these that's already here? So you put it on skewers.
And serve cold or hot?
You can serve it at room temp to make your life easier. You can serve it hot, and it's delicious that way as well.
Oh, my God.
So let's taste everything and keep drinking. Sure. Okay. I think I have time.
Okay.
I don't think anyone invited me to a Super Bowl party. So let's taste this as well.
Not right.
So here's this sauce here. And let's taste that as well. Okay.
Chicken's amazing.
Chilled shrimp with this Caribbean cocktail sauce. It should be really nice and sweet. It's delicious. And then
Especially with
you want to put a
pineapple
little
gin and
bowl
tonic.
out for the tails.
Yeah, you got to do that.
Be classy. All right?
Cheers to you.
Thank you for having me back here. Have a great day tomorrow. Hope you have fun. What are you going to do?
Well, I'm going to be here at Fox 2, hanging out, working away.
With your friends.
It's all good, but you can watch the game right here. I got a full mouth of chicken here.
There'll be
It's kinda hard to
TVs.
tell. Exactly. Wow. Okay. Well, he is Hugh Groman. You've put out a great spread. Want to thank you for joining us, and we'll be putting the recipes at ktview.com shortly. Rosemary